TV the damn channel?
Yo, Andrew. How'd you feel about a nice steak, man?
Steak could be pretty good. I actually happen to know a pretty good recipe.
Oh, really?
Throw it up, beef! Throw it up, beef! Throw it up, beef! Throw it up!
Hello, everyone!
Let's get...
I need help.
This is Mama's recipe. Now you have two options: 5-hour energy regular strength, or my personal favorite, 5-hour energy extra strength.
Or cocaine. Weed.
Today we're gonna use a little bit of both. So you're gonna want to put a little bit. I didn't bring the spatula. We're gonna use our hands today because that's what Mama used to always do.
Okay.
We're gonna throw the meat on the grill, baby.
It's time.
It's not sizzling at all.
Oh.
I'm not doing it again. Now, we have a special donation from the estate of the late Andrew Hume. He's passed away, and they found this in his storage locker. I'm pretty sure that says pee. This is from 2021, so this has been fermenting for 3 years.
3 whole years, huh?
So we're gonna want to use a little bit of this on top.
Just got a whole lot more real, huh? You know the inside of a porta potty? It smells like that.
When it starts to smell like a zoo, you're gonna want to flip it. Oh my gosh. First up, you're gonna need some vitamins. Mom always said, life is like a bottle of lutein.
It smells like the soup.
There you go. You want to get a good extra strength? Hold it in, just a little bit. At this point, you're going to want to go ahead and add some dressing. This is Superstar Vinyl Lipstick, top of the line. The lady that sold this to us assured us that this is safe to eat.
Usually they don't, they just put them on their lips. I wouldn't be able to answer your question.
It's really, really important that you allow the meat to soak up all the urine. Come on! That guy's gonna call the cops.
Oh, look at that. Imagine if your woman is wearing those.
Those smell actually really good.
Do they?
Your wife is cheating on you. Oh, she's looking great now.
Beautiful.
That's really beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and add a bit more of this.
Just a little bit more. What do I even fucking say, man?
Well, this is really all I had planned.
Isn't there one more step to cooking? After the meal's done, what do you do with it?
It's honestly pretty good. Stop! Honestly, that's a good meal. Now, the steak was a success, but I think we can all agree on the real delicacy, and I would hate to see it go to waste. And until next time, this has been Cooking with the Deb.
It's a wrap. This is gonna be a terrible video. The worst.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that looks great.
Man, it just like keeps coming.
That's it.
Want a bite?
No,
Come on. You regret it when you're old.
you're out of your mind.